Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef rezala. This rich, aromatic curry from Bengal features tender beef in a creamy, white gravy. We'll explore the key spices like cardamom, cinnamon, and mace that give it its unique flavor. Yogurt and cashew paste are essential for achieving that signature smooth, luxurious texture. Get ready to create a truly delicious and impressive dish. Let's gather our essential ingredients for this delightful beef rezala. You'll need about 2 pounds of beef, cut into bite-sized cubes. Plain yogurt, along with fresh ginger and garlic paste, forms the base of our marinade. Don't forget whole spices such as green cardamom and cinnamon sticks for authentic flavor. Finally, cashew paste and onion paste will contribute to the curry's luxurious texture. Our first step is marination. Combine your beef cubes with plain yogurt, ginger paste, and garlic paste, letting it rest for at least 2 hours. Next, in a pot, gently sauté your whole spices in a bit of oil until they release their beautiful aroma. Then, add the onion paste, cooking it until it turns a lovely golden brown. Finally, introduce the marinated beef and sear it well on all sides. Now, it's time to bring it all together. Add enough water or beef stock to cover the meat, then simmer gently until the beef is wonderfully tender. Stir in the cashew paste and a small amount of sugar to balance the flavors. For the perfect finish, drizzle in some ghee and sprinkle with garam masala. Serve your exquisite beef rezala hot, perhaps with fluffy rice or warm naan bread.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.